Have you ever wondered how top online course creators are making six figures? Imagine being able to do this with the existing skills and passions you already have. Yeah, I know we all get stuck in that. Teaching other people how to make money online is the only way to make money online. But you can actually create a course that sells and suits your passions and interests. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you today. I'm going to break down the exact 8 steps to create a course that not only educates, but will actually sell. So stick around to find out the secrets to success that a lot of course creators actually overlook. Hey there, my name is Rochelle. It is great to see you back again. Within 12 months of quitting my 9-to-5 engineering job, I became a 6-figure online course creator. This has enabled my family and I to travel the world full time and has allowed me to never need to go back to an office. If you are wanting to get started with creating your own online course or digital products, you can grab my freebie down below, which goes through digital products as well as affiliate marketing and a workbook to help you get started. There are 8 steps that you're going to want to follow in how to create an online course about any topic that you are passionate about. We're going to look at choosing the right topic, validating your idea, creating a course outline, creating engaging content, choosing the right platform for your course, how to set a price, marketing your course, launching your course, and what to do after that. Choosing the right topic is absolutely crucial to the success of your course. The topic you choose to create your course on should be something you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. Think about your skills and the experiences that you've had in your life. What do people frequently ask you for help about? What's something that you could talk about for ages? In fact, your friends sit there and tell you to stop talking about them. That's a great indicator of what you could possibly teach. Additionally, you want to also consider topics that are trending in your industry at the moment, using tools like Google Trends or social media to help you choose and pick what people are actually talking about. It's important to really strike that balance between what are you passionate about and what is actually going to sell. What are people looking for? Once you have an idea of this, you need to validate your idea. Validating your course idea ensures that there is a demand for it. Before you invest too much time, make sure people are actually interested in your topic. You can validate your ideas and your course in a couple of ways. I recommend looking at doing surveys. You can pre-sell your course, and you can do this just by checking out what your competitors are doing and what other types of courses are being sold within your niche. Create a simple survey using tools like Google Forms or SurveyMonkey, and then share them with your social media networks, in your email list, or straight on your Facebook page. You're going to then want to look at the feedback on what people are willing to pay for and what exactly do they expect from a course like the ones that you're creating. You can join online communities and forums that are related to the topics and gather their insight. Pre-selling your course can also give you clear indication of the interest. Offer early bird discounts, maybe they get a one-on-one coaching call with you, something that entices someone to purchase your course before it's ready to go, and it'll also gauge the willingness of people to pay for what you're providing. Starting to create your course outline. A course outline, it helps keep all of your content organized and focused. You want to break down all of your topics into modules and then into lessons. You want to then reverse engineer your course. What is the goal of your course? What do people need to learn to be able to do this? How are you going to teach them those things to get what they want out of the course? Each module should have clear objectives and outcomes and the things you want your students to be able to achieve. What exactly do you want your students to be able to have completed when they have finished your modules or those lessons? Then you want to think about the flow of your content. What does your learner need to understand first before they take on those more complex topics? You can use amazing tools out there like Trello, Asana, or Airtable to organize your course structure visually if you are someone that does need to be able to see in front of them how everything's laid out rather than just inside your head. Creating engaging content is key to make sure that your students move their way through the course, because engaging content keeps your students motivated and it makes them wanting to come back for more. Watching a talking head video for 6 hours of someone standing there monotone can be extremely tiresome, and honestly I'd click off and I wouldn't want to continue watching it either. So you want to make sure you use a mixture of videos. Could be talking heads, you could be doing screen recordings, quizzes, assignments, and even live talking lessons can make your course more interactive. Remembering that your personality is your unique selling point. It's what's brought them through in the first place, so make sure you let that shine through in your content. Speaking of content, high quality videos with clear audio and visuals is really important. You can invest in microphones or even a camera. Using a smartphone with a tripod so your video is stable is really easy to do. Tools like Canva, which is free, can help you create visual appealing graphics and slides. If you do want to go down that live mentoring, it can add a really good personal touch and provide real one-on-one interaction with your students. These are also great bonuses when you are pre-selling your course. The next thing is you need to choose the right platform. The right platform for your course specifically could actually make or break. There are very popular systems out there like Standstore, Beacons, Kajabi, and System.io, all of which offers different features, and choosing the one that fits with your needs in terms of pricing, experience, and the support you're actually going to need from the platform itself is something to consider before choosing it. You also want to consider what each platform offers in terms of course creation, what tools they provide for you as the creator, marketing support, and your ability to build a community within the platform with your course, or whether you might need to look externally for that. For instance, Kajabi provides a great marketing and automation features, while System.io is incredible at building funnels. You want to test out a few different platforms with their free trials to see which one you find works for you and your skill level, because some are a little easier and plug and play and some might have a bit of a learning curve. You also want to look at the scalability. As your business and your course grows, will that platform still meet the needs? Are you going to need to jump to a new platform really quickly, or is this something that's going to be able to grow as the number of students and the number of people in your email list are of course going to grow as well? Last week's video was on the 4 best online platforms, so go and have a look at that and it will help you figure out which platform is going to be right for you. Pricing your course correctly is key to maximizing sales. There are so many things to consider, but you want to consider the value you're providing for the target audience and what other competitors are charging. But you also don't want to underprice yourself. You are going to spend a lot of time creating this content, filming, editing, and you've probably spent a lot of time, money, and effort actually learning all of those skills yourself. So you want to make sure that not only are you being compensated for everything you've put into this, but that it's accessible to your audience as well. A great way to do this is offering different pricing tiers. So you can have a basic package, which is the course, and then you can have a higher up package, which might have the course, additional resources, one-on-one coaching, group mentorship for the people that have a bit more money to spend and are after something a little bit more than just the course itself. And of course, don't forget to factor any of your back-end costs. Things like course hosting, marketing, and any transaction fees when people are purchasing from you. There is an amazing tool that Teachable actually has, which is a pricing calculator, which will help you determine the price of your course, and I've made sure to add that in the description below for you. When it comes to marketing, effective marketing for your course is essential to reach your target audience. You want to use a combination of social media, email marketing, and content marketing to promote your course. Building a community around your course and your topics will help engage and help you find potential students. You want to start by creating a compelling landing page. That's somewhere that highlights the benefits of your course, what's your course going to teach them, and of course, how much it's going to cost. Then utilize your social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and even LinkedIn to help reach different audiences. It's important to know where your target audience actually is for what platform you're going to use. So if your course is for retirees, there might be less of that demographic on TikTok as there probably would be on Facebook. Email marketing is such a powerful tool and a lot of people don't concentrate on building their email list when they get started. So if you have not built your email list, now is the time to do that. You can use your email list to engage your audience, give them regular updates, send extra freebies that are only for people on your email list. You want to be able to create a freebie first, something that's going to entice people to get onto your email list, to get onto the wait list for your course, that you can then use to promote to them later on. Launching your course is so exciting, and launching your course is just the beginning. Once your course is live, you want to make sure that you are gathering feedback from your students so that you can make improvements. Regular updates to your course's content and structure is going to help keep it relevant and valuable in an ever-changing market. You want to be able to use surveys and polls to have direct communication with your students and understand exactly what is working and what's not. Then you're going to analyze that and you're going to be able to make the changes that are actually needed rather than just trying to figure out what needs to happen. You're going to want to analyze your course analytics within the platforms you've chosen. This is going to help you figure out where your course is being most engaging and then when students are starting to drop off. A lot of the platforms already have this in the back end, and they'll show you exactly where your students are within the course, as well as the percentages of where people have completed the courses and what lessons and modules they've completed. Don't be afraid to pivot from where you first started. Add new content based on the feedback people are giving you. Creating a thriving online course is an ongoing process. The more that you refine and update the course, the better the outcome of that course is going to be. Now that you are ready to start building your online course, make sure you grab my freebie, which is going to help you create online courses and digital products, tie in a bit of affiliate marketing for you, and there is a great workbook to help you get started. Be sure to subscribe to get notifications of my next video, which is on exactly how to start a digital product business with $0. So if you're wanting to create your own online course or your own online digital product business, then this is going to show you exactly how you can do it on a very, very tight budget. If you found this video helpful, make sure you let me know in the comments and give it a like. I will see you all next Thursday.